Hello, today we're going to go over how to do this really simple eyeshadow look. We're using Melt Cosmetic Millennial Pinks, and we're going in with pink leather right here on the eyelid, and go heavy with it. So here, bring it up a little bit, and a little bit down here. Next, we're using Flamingo Dream with a little blending brush here, and you're going to just kind of go here, go down a little bit, and bring it back up. Give it a beautiful shape and blend it in well, and make sure to go here and bring it out like that. Go back in for the pink leather using a little eyeshadow brush and go over the lighter parts one more time and bring it out through here. Now go for pink noise right here, and we're going to go in here, bring it there a little bit, bring it up, and bring a little bit right here. Now we're going to use Revlon's Color Stay cream eyeshadow in the shade Silver, and I'm using the brush that came with it. I'm just going to put a little bit in right here, and we're going to just kind of follow right here and bring it up and bring it out. Then we're going to take this sharp little brush and go in with Moon Glow, this silver one here, and we're going to go right over the silver just to give it extra dimension and pop. Next, we're going to take an angled brush and we're going to go in with Euphoria and just do a really nice outline. And to really darken this up, we're going in with the Black is Black on the Natasha Denona I Love You Dream palette. And we're going to kind of really get this eyeshadow or eyeliner ring. And then just the tiniest little amount right here. Next is mascara. We're using Sephora Love the Lift and the LYS Lash Confidence. So next we're putting on little quarter lashes. So I'm just using some Sephora eyelash gel. I'm gonna dab it on there. Gonna wait like 20 seconds and apply it. Alrighty, so we're just going to go in and press it in. Right on the end there. And yep, there we go. And this is what it looks like with the false lashes. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe if you'd like, and I'll see you next time.